Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll be learning about essential elements of the human body. Vitamins and minerals are considered essential nutrients because acting in concert they perform hundreds of roles in the body. They help in growth and development. They help bone development, heal wounds, and boost your immune system. They also convert food into energy and repair cellular damage. Today we will discuss on vitamins. In another video we will discuss on minerals. Vitamins are organic in nature. It can be easily broken down by exposing to heat, air, or acid. So never overcook food. Always store the food items properly. There are 13 different vitamins needed by our body. They are vitamin A, B series, which consists of B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Vitamins are divided into two types based on their properties: water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water. These are not stored in our body. The extra amounts of vitamins excrete out of our body, as a result of which we need it on a daily basis. All of vitamin B series vitamins and vitamin C are known as water-soluble vitamins. A fat-soluble vitamin stores in human body for a long time. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are known as fat-soluble vitamins. Let's first discuss water-soluble vitamins, their sources, benefits, and deficiency. Vitamin B1. It is also called as thiamine. Vitamin B1 sources: asparagus, lentils, black beans, whole grain cereals, pasta, egg, and bread. Vitamin B1 benefits. It helps in breathing, eye movement, and alertness. It helps in functioning heart, nervous system, and brain. Also, it helps the body use carbohydrates as energy. Now let's find vitamin B1 deficiency: loss of appetite, blurry vision, muscle weakness, and sometimes causes nausea and vomiting. Next vitamin is vitamin B2. It is also called as riboflavin. Vitamin B2 sources: tofu, avocado, mushrooms, spinach, almonds, milk, fish, and egg. Vitamin B2 benefits: it needs to maintain body's energy supply. Also, it is needed for growth and overall good health. Now let's find vitamin B2 deficiency, which is skin disorder, hair loss, sore throat, itchy and red eyes. Lack of vitamin B2 decreases RBCs in blood. To know more on RBCs, please visit my previous video on blood components. Let's move to vitamin B3. It is also called as niacin. Vitamin B3 sources: brown rice, avocado, mushrooms, green vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, milk, fish, and egg. Vitamin B3 benefits: it helps the nervous system. It helps improve the digestive system. It helps to lower LDL and triglycerides. Now let's find vitamin B3 deficiency: memory loss, depression, headache and vomiting, diarrhea and indigestion. Next, vitamin B5. It is also called as Pantothenic Acid. Sources of vitamin B5 include broccoli, mushrooms, potatoes, whole grain cereals, lentils, milk, and egg. Vitamin B5 benefits: it is necessary for making blood cells. It helps to convert protein, carbohydrates, and fats into energy. Let's find vitamin B5 deficiency, such as headache, stomach pain, burning feet, digestive problems. Also, lack of vitamin B5 causes frequent mood swings. Next, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 sources are like brown rice, pineapples, grapes, bananas, mangoes, bread, milk, egg, and fish. Vitamin B6 benefits. It helps brain development, keeps the immune system strong and healthy. It keeps the nervous system healthy. Let's find vitamin B6 deficiency, which is skin rashes, cracked and sore lips. Lack of vitamin B6 weakens the immune system. It also feels tiredness and low in energy. Next is vitamin B7. It is also called as biotin. Vitamin B7 sources: green vegetables, cereals, almonds, walnuts, milk, and egg. Vitamin B7 benefits. It is essential for liver metabolism. It helps nervous system function. It helps in strengthening hair, nail, and skin. Let's find vitamin B7 deficiency, which is hair loss, scaly red rash. Lack of vitamin B7 shows loss of appetite and also is a cause of depression. Next is vitamin B9. It is also called as folic acid. Vitamin B9 sources are like citrus foods such as oranges and lemons, apple, whole grains, asparagus, greeny leaf vegetables. Vitamin B9 benefits are like essential for production for RBCs, needed for DNA synthesis. Let's find vitamin B9 deficiency. Feels tiredness and low in energy. It leads to shortness of breath and heart disease. Next, vitamin B12. It is also called as Cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12 sources: fortified cereals, fish, eggs, dairy products such as milk, cheese, yogurt, tofu. Benefits of vitamin B12: prevents from tiredness and weakness. It helps to make DNA. Keeps the body's nerve and blood cells healthy. Let's find vitamin B12 deficiency. It can cause mouth ulcers. It decreases RBCs in blood cells. It does memory loss and depression. Next, vitamin C. It is also called as Ascorbic Acid. Vitamin C sources: bell pepper, spinach, pineapple, grapes, oranges, and broccoli. Vitamin C benefits are like it increases the immune system, helps in healing the wound, also helps in repair and growth all the body tissues. Let's find vitamin C deficiency, which is depression, cardiovascular disease, eye disease, and skin wrinkling. In the next video, we will discuss about fat-soluble vitamins, that is, vitamin A, D, E, and K. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Press the bell icon to get notifications on my latest and upcoming videos. Thank you.